Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2020 Nissan Pathfinder ST, stock reference number 5154. This shape runs from the 10th month 2013 through to the 4th month 2021. It has a VQ35, 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic front wheel drive transmission. VQ35, 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine. We have the right hand headlight. Left front, 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear, 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail light, left tailgate garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Left spoiler. Right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light. Right rear, 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right-hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. For the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, sat nav display screen, sat nav control panel, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.